preparing the crane now.
Alright.
Just give me a call if I have the green light to pick up the crane from the boom breast.
Copy that.
Starts installing the
Crane
blade
standing by.
of the windmill. Jack-up barge. Start installing the blade of the windmill. Ayan. Ganyan pag-install. Okay. Ito yung leg nya. Pagkakabitan ng pagkakabitan ng windmill. Yung paa niyan.